What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to be heading to Discount Tire very soon to be getting my new wheels installed for my Jeep Wrangler. They are the factory size. These wheels came as a 17-inch. So I found some online on discounttire.com. I found some at a pretty decent price compared to maybe like Tire Rack or a few other places. I even checked Facebook Marketplace, but I thought for the price and the fact that all 5 wheels would be new, and I'm just really excited because the reason why I didn't get wheels sooner, number one, because I wanted to save up for it, and two, the Plasti Dip or the peel coat that I already have on my wheels right now is starting to come off. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So I took the wheels to RPM Superstore, where they do a lot of customization mods for cars and stuff, so I'm definitely not blaming the technicians for how they applied it, but peel coat is just not good for, number one, harsh winters or cold weather. We are still in March and it's still pretty cold right now, but we had salt from different snowstorms and stuff like that, so it's starting to peel right here, get little chips and stuff like that. It is starting to get stained from the brake dust on this first wheel. I just cleaned this, but if we go to the other one, you can see here around the lip, starting to become a problem. There, it's chipped. And you know, wheels just get subjected to so much damage just from the road in general, so peel coating is just not even good. And see, even on the back one, it's starting to come up, and this one doesn't even get touched at all. So I tried it. It looked good for a little while. I maybe had these peel coated for about 2 or 3 months. You can definitely see on this one's a little worse than some of the others. So unfortunately, that's starting to come up. If this is a vehicle that you guys plan on driving often, peel coat probably isn't going to work that well, but overall, they still look pretty good for the time being. But as I said, this afternoon, I'm going to go to Discount Tire, and they're going to install the wheels for me, and I'm going to keep these stock wheels, and I'll probably sell them online in a little bit. So that way, hopefully, I can make some of my money back for the wheels that I just bought, because I do have to buy 5 instead of 4. That's the only problem with the Wrangler. But either way, I'm really excited. So just giving you guys a final look with the stock wheels that are peel coated black. This is a matte black. The wheels that I'm getting installed later are going to be a gloss black. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. And I'll see you guys this afternoon.
Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée. Échappons-nous vers l'horizon.
is the reveal. Yo, check this out. I'm not gonna lie, compared to what I thought I was getting online, when I saw them putting the wheels inside of the tires, I was like, oh, somebody got some nice looking wheels. And somebody was like, yeah, those aren't mine. I was like, those aren't mine either. And I was like, wait a minute, this isn't what I ordered. So I'll show you guys the picture that I thought I was getting. The way it was formatted online, it's all black if you get the matte black option. If you get the gloss black option, it comes with the milled, so that way the milled can break up the gloss black, I guess, so you don't have a totally black wheel. So all of this kind of breaks it up and it gives it a nice little contrast, and it actually works really well with my paint color. So I'm actually really happy with these. So it was not what I was expecting to get, but I'm still very, very happy. I like that there's a big center cap so it covers up the lug nuts or anything, and I really like the way it looks. Of course, what do you guys think? I always value your opinion, but man, this is dope. They even cleaned the tires for me, so huge shout out to Discount Tire. The only thing that I wish would have been changed was the option online, so that way I knew exactly what I was getting once I switched it to gloss black. So let me know what you guys think. I'm really, really happy with it, and at the end of the day, that's really all that matters, as long as I'm happy with it, because I'm the one that spent the money for it. But overall, these wheels still were not very expensive. Looking at them, I definitely would think otherwise. That's a very good price, I think, for Jeep wheels. These are size 17, so if you guys wanted to go anything bigger or wider, I'm sure the price range is going to go up. So, but for what I paid for, I'm really happy with it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the new look, and I'm loving it. So thank you guys again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button if you approve of these wheels, and subscribe to my channel because I do post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care.